I'm going to show you how to get tons of subscribers on YouTube right now, as well as views, ad revenue, and even the potential to go viral. I'm Dave from Joe to Joe, and we help people, businesses, and channels grow their audience quickly. Let me give you the quick 1, 2, 3 on exactly how we do this. First, you need to create the right content. And I know that seems obvious, but that means researching what your audience is watching and finding out what you can deliver that they're also searching for. And then there's production, which rests on quality, your filming, and your editing. All of this leads into retention, which is a very, very important way that YouTube's algorithm can tell if your video has value to its audience. Number 2, we have the titles, thumbs, and descriptions, and the tags. But this also includes research first. You need to know what titles are working, who's searching for what. There's various different ways you can do this. As far as thumbnails goes, it goes the same way. You want to research what's working and what's not within your niche and create the perfect thumbnail, and always be testing to see what's getting clicked and what's not, because all of that put together leads to your CTR, or click-through rate. The click-through rate is an excellent way for YouTube's algorithm also to see if your video has potential value for its viewers versus other videos. And lastly, we have the description, which is better known as SEO, or search engine optimization, because let's not forget, YouTube is a search engine and it's trying to connect your potential audience with your video. But you need to help it along with the perfect words for what people are looking for. And lastly, we have promotion, which could be as simply as running ads, but let's not forget you really need to be consistent. YouTube values channels and videos that are being released consistently. Lastly, we have cross promotion, which is a tricky thing, but it is the best way in 2020 to get views to your channel right away. But you need all of this stuff first, otherwise this won't work. Now, if you want to know the details on how to do exactly each one of these things, click the link below and schedule a call with us today for a free consultation. Our business and our service can help you along the way with each and every one of these things. But if you'd like, you can take the information from the consultation and run with it. Either way, we hope to talk to you soon and look forward to helping you grow the channel of your dreams. Talk to you soon.